So by now you've probably heard of ChatGPT, the powerful chatbot from OpenAI that has taken the world by storm, having reached over 100 million users in just 2 months. Now, if you've been using ChatGPT for a while, you've probably noticed the certain things the model is restricted to do as defined by OpenAI's internal governance and ethics policy. For example, it is restricted from assisting with or prompting any form of illegal activities like hacking, fraud, or anything of malicious intent. However, what if I told you there is a way to bypass this restriction and basically enable it to perform activities it's not supposed to do? Well, sort of. That's what jailbreaking aims to do. Now, what is jailbreaking, you may ask? Simply removing software restriction imposed on devices and sometimes software. So in this case, ChatGPT. There's been a handful of people who've managed to do so. For example, Twitter user Emerson Tweets, who managed to get ChatGPT to generate Windows 10 activation keys, or YouTuber Enderman, who managed to get ChatGPT to generate Windows 95 activation keys, which actually got him in trouble with YouTube. Or in more serious cases, security researchers and bad actors have been using ChatGPT into creating working malware. Now you're probably wondering how these people managed to unrestrict ChatGPT. Well, it's not that hard to figure out. This simply involves using prompts that you type into the chat box, and they trick or guide the chatbot to provide outputs that are otherwise intended to be restricted. There's several cases of Reddit users who've made these prompts, many of which have probably been blocked by now. However, I am going to show you a website that lists these prompts that you can use to unrestrict ChatGPT. So if you head over to the website jailbreakchat.com, you'll find a list of several prompts ranked by upvotes, kind of like a Reddit, and you can use these in different scenarios. Again, I'm not going to try this because I don't want to get into trouble with YouTube, and I would like to stress again that only use this for research and education purposes to avoid getting your account banned or something. So you can go out and try these on your own. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.